I've been holding on too tight to the things I cannot change, trying hard to fake the light while my heart is full of pain. But you whisper in the silence, child, you're safe with me tonight. So I'm laying down my worries at the feet of Jesus Christ. God, I surrender all my fears to you. Every tear, every question, every heavy truth,